Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you're here. I'm Mitchie Perez. As long as I remember, I love creating things with my hands. It's more than just a hobby. It's passion, a way to express myself and a way to connect with others. So that's why I started Mitch's Handmade. So this channel is all about sharing passion with you. We're talking close-up, time lapses, and even a little bit of crafting chaos. So don't forget to subscribe or to join the crafting fun. Let's go! Presenting my handicrafts or handmade products. So these are the materials. Those are bamboo, shoes glue, varnish, and paint brush. So step 1, you need to use varnish to paint the bamboo with your paintbrush. So, i-brush mo lang yan hanggang sa lahat na malagyan ng varnish. And then, after nyan, you need to use varnish to paint with your paintbrush. So, lagyan mo na din itong, after it dry, give it back. And then, use shoes glue or any glue and stick it together it tighten. So, kailangan mong lagyan ng shoes glue or any materials na didikit sa bamboo. Then, lagyan mo lang siya dyan. Then, ipatong mo sa isang box or plywood. And then, lagyan mo itong isa sa gilid. And patayo. And then, pagkatapos nyan, compress mo para idikit mo siya dyan. Then, manatili sa kabila. Then, manatili itong nakatayo. Then, after nyan, so, tada! Ito na ang finished product. So, ganyan sa nakita nyo, pwede siyang lagyan ng pencil or cellphone or design or any kind of things. So guys, thank you for watching.